With sending and receiving EAS tests, we have a sending and receiving EAS test sheet here, and also we have an EAS emergency alert system handbook as well. But that's a little hard to find exactly what you need. When you're looking for anything, it's going to be right here. Sending EAS test, it's really simple. All you have to do to start it out is press the password button, and then enter the numbers 911. And then you choose Send Weekly Test, confirm it, and it will say enter duration, and it will automatically enter it for you. Then click Ready. Then click the Send Header button, and it will print out the EAS send slip. And it will do that for a while. What you do afterwards is once this is done printing out, you want to grab this EAS slips box. Take it over here, find the month you're in. Today we're in June in 2012. So you're going to pull out the June 2012 envelope, and you're going to initial the slip and put it in the envelope, like so. So initial the month, and you're supposed to put the date and time on here as well. And you fold it up, put it in here. Then you come over to the logbook. And we have weekly EAS test sent, weekly EAS test received. So today we just sent one at 11 in the morning. So you're going to write 11 and mark AM. Then I'm going to initial, and that's all you have to do. And that's how you send EAS tests and fill and receive EAS tests.